Today we are back again in Creative Hands. We will be doing fingerprint today also, but we are going to do a scenery on it. The things we'll need is first of all our fingers, then a sheet, then sketch pen, watercolor, pencil, eraser, watercolor brush, a cloth to wipe our hands, and some water to wash our hands. Now we are going to start. First of all, we will draw a line. With pencil. Then another line, also with pencil. And then a trunk of a tree, like this. That's all. Now what we are going to do is we will take colors and paint the index tip of right hand. And I am going to invert the sheet. Now I am going to give the print like this. One here, one here. Now I am going to take the little finger and also color the tip with yellow and give a dot here, here and here. Now I am going to wash my hand, wipe my hand and take other colors. Let me take pink or red. And color the index tip of right hand. Again I am going to invert the page and give here a print and here. Next, let me take blue or purple and color my index tip and give a print here and here. Now let me use my thumb and color it with green. I am going to color my thumb tip with green and give prints over here on the tree. Now we are going to do with black pens, tail, fins and eyes. tail, fins and eyes. Now tail, fins and eyes. What are they looking like? Are they resembling fish? Now we are going to take red and do the beaks. Sun rays, little tails, next with brown we will make the trunk of the tree. Now with blue we'll do the water. First give the line, then make circles around the ducks as they're swimming. Water marks. The fishes are swimming in water. Next with green, make the margin of the meadow and fill it with grasses. This is a meadow beside the pond with grasses and small bushes. We will also make some black small birds flying in the sky. Now we have made a tree, ducks and fishes with fingerprint and the sun also. So this is our scenery with fingerprints. If you like our video, give us like and subscribe our channel Creative Hands for our next video.